Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take your role for the time travel rescue event in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update of Heartopia, there is an event called Time Travel Rescue, and part of this event is the Spark of Romance, and I'm going to show you the event details. Okay, basically you need to take your role for daily role, and I've already taken my role guys, and my role today is Patty. Okay, and I'm going to show you where you can take your role. So you're going to go to this location at the Whale Mountain, okay, near Naniwa, and you can claim your role. I've already claimed my role today, and once you have your role, you need to link with your friend to get the signal. Okay, I need to obtain a circular link signal and also the square link signal. And if we want to obtain the signal, we need to link with another role. And for me, I need to link with this role: Wesley, TB, Wolfie, or Wolney, and I will get the signal. If you want to link the signal, you can click on link like this and ask your friend or another DG member to tap on this icon. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim your role in Heartopia time travel rescue event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.